All right. Good to see you again. Maybe you are watching right now, or shout out to everyone. And it's a wonderful day. It's my day off today. I hope you well. And thank you for your support. People are watching on my all my videos. Thank you for your support. I hope until I'm monetized. And as I say, you are a part of my content, my journey until I succeed this my content to be monetized partnership with the YouTube, and this is what I'm waiting for. And the good thing is now we're getting more subscriber supporters. Thank you for everyone who's watching right now from all over the world. And please support my channel, Samsung Expat. And don't forget to like and comment and subscribe as well. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and share to your friends and family and relatives and your colleagues. And I hope you sometimes, if you cross by, maybe you can see me one time or sometimes. Don't be shy, don't be hesitate to say hi. So it's good to be part of my content, and I always welcoming a lot of people who wants to part of my journey. So now we're just going to that side and just to update all my friends, and I will come back after an hour, after 1 hour. Well, let's go. Eva. As people are saying from social media, it's going to be rain according to the forecast, but still not. I hope it will not going to be rain again, because it's difficult, you know. You have to get a taxi. It's hard to get, you know, service. Take a long time to go home, to go to work, because of so many floods. But the good thing is our Dubai government is doing great. Everything so great. It's amazing. Now we're going to cross here. What's happening here? This guy is crossing in the pedestrian this side. See, it's covering blocking the pedestrian. No, it's a good day. It was nice weather as well. Still. Oh wait. As I can see the moon over there, the suns go down. Sunset. Yeah. Very nice. Busy day. Ah. Okay. Let's cross over this. Let's see. You can see the train. What's up? It's right over there. So now it's stuck. Now we can cross now. We have to move fast a little bit before. And let's see you again after before we get there in the basketball court. Satwa. See you there. Oh guys, ito na malapit na tayo sa ano, sa basketball court. May pagkaroon muna tayo, hindi muna tayo mag video ng gusto sa mga naglalaro. Ano na tayo, mga badge muna tayo sa mga ano, sa mga amigo natin. Mga batang satwa. Yan natin. Ito marami nanonood yun. Kaya mga nanonood. Basketball. Katiban lang yan, nanonood ng basketball. Pasakaling matuto sila sa kapanonood. Oo, di ba? Ano? Malahay, nanonood ng basketball. So, madami dito. Pati yung baldahan, nanonood. Oh, sir! Kaya mga ano. Hindi mo tayo happy lang tayo. Ayan. Medyo marami yung mga player dito. Oh, sir. Basta.
lang. Shout out
Tara.
PUBG Group, Ilonggo Silido. Punta na kayo rito sa Chelsea. Pero bukas sa umaga na tayo maglaro.
Laro. Si Nora. Happy tayo nga. Happy ako. Kasi nag-edit ako ngayon eh. Kasi si Lyson. Di pa tapos ang ano ko, edit ko eh. Meron pa ako ini-edit eh. Di pa tapos. Yung kagabi, mahaba-haba yun. Pero mga ano lang, mga highlights lang naman. Bago mga player. Kupo! Dapat kaya. Tapos na mong laro?
Karating ko lang kuya.
Karating mo lang?
Basta.
Wala naman. Ay, laro yung mga dito. Yung mga player, madami naglaro. Waiting. Yan. Mga player daw. Gantay mga yan. Madami yung sila. Ito lang. Shooting. Soy! Kaano ko lang, ka-edit ko lang yung ano, yung highlight mo. Ka-edit ko lang yung highlight mo. Doon na yun, naka-upload na. Yeah. Aba mo, maganda nga na yun. Tatlo ko niya, ano. Sino ba yung mataba na ano? Yung isang makulit din. Yung mataba. Tapos si ano? Sino ba yun? Yung dating... Oo, tsaka si ano, dating kasama ni Mabs. Yan. Yan, tatlo kayo. Ayo. Nakagano na, who's the best shooter? Wow! Highlights. Yan, si Oro. Si Oro. Tiga, ano yan. Nag-vlog din yan sa, ano, sa Facebook. Pero sa ano tayo, sa YouTube sila sa Facebook.
Kaya vlog mo yung mamaya.
Pwede ako mong tatagal kasi opening ako bukas. Oo. Sa gate lang. O, iikot lang tayo. Ikot muna tayo. Yun, may ilaw na. O sir, Oh, sir. Ayun, oh. Ay. Ito, tapos na ba?
Ayos. Di pa.
Hindi pa? Maya pa?
Ayan pa. Minute and event. Ayun na.
Ah, sure na yun po dyan.
Ano na,
Pamalakasan. Tayo mga tropa kits.
Pwedeng small ball, pwedeng big ball. Cut out.
Ah.
Dalawang team check.
Aso ko mo dili magdula. Karon ba shooting?
Wala,
Kapoy si...
pagod sa
Oh,
trabaho.
pagod.
Ikotan mo
Bukas na
na naman, bro.
Oo.
Cut out ka mo, bro.
Ito na tayo ba? Okay kayo ba?
Yan yung mga manoy.
Yeah. Pero dyan, mga...
Shout out.
Shout out boys. Yeah, sir, shout out boys.
Shout out.
Yeah, shout out. Kaya ba? Hey man, what's up? Shout out, ha? Pero mga friends natin, mga ano ito, shout out.
Shout out.
Mga player ba?
Allen Iverson.
Sige. Ano,
Shout
sir?
out, shout out.
Sir.
Shout out po.
Yeah. Ayun.
Shout out kay Papa George.
Papa George. Sir. Yeah.
Sir, maganda ka eh.
Yeah, sir. Ako na. Ayun, ito eh. Shooter ba? O, kayo ba? Sir. Yeah,
You know.
yun. Yung mga nakabayan, no? Sa labas. Sir.
Boss,
Ayan, shout out. Uy, shout out. Bago mo, on ba?
bagong agad.
Ayun.
Bagong agad.
Okay, kaya ba? Yeah. Ano? Mo lapit na pera, sir. Ayan nga sinasabi. Ayan o, yan. Shooter ba? Sunod na? Di ba? Mga player. Ay, sir. Laro na, di ba? Sir. Bosa, shoutout mo dyan. Taga Bicol. Ayun. Kabuhay. Ito mga waiting player. Sir. Mga bata, ito yung mga kapay natin. Sir. Ayun, laro ba? Laro, sige. Ayun. Tuner mo, Mike.
Matik yan.
Matik na. Si Kambal, wala sa base ngayon. Tayo mo na.
Ay ka.
Oo.
Pareho yung visa nila. Paliligis talaga.
Tawa tayo.
Ikaw makakabang. Ganun mo kayo dyan.
How are you, my friend?
I'm fine.
You enjoying basketball? Yeah. You know how to play basketball?
I don't know how to play.
You know how to play. Yo, naikot natin yung mga mga tropa kasi dito. Ayan sila. Ano? Agawan na bola, pasa. Parang tagal mo po pasa. Ayun. Galaw-galaw. Ay, dito lang muna tayo. Parang abang-abang sa mga video, mga nagawa natin. Sa mga highlights. Alright. It's amazing. Keep watching all my videos. To more videos I'm going to upload on YouTube channel. Even on Facebook. That's amazing. Alright. Have a good day.